Understanding road maintenance. A comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term road maintenance. We'll break down what it means, why it's important, and how it impacts daily life. So, let's dive right in and understand every aspect of road maintenance. Road maintenance refers to the various processes and activities involved in keeping roads in safe and usable condition. This includes a range of services such as pothole repair, street cleaning, snow removal, and repainting road markings. The goal of road maintenance is to extend the lifespan of roads and ensure the safety and convenience of all road users. There are generally two types of road maintenance. 1. Routine maintenance. This involves regular, ongoing tasks such as litter removal, minor repairs, and cleaning. It's about maintaining the current condition of the roads. 2. Periodic maintenance. This is more extensive and includes activities like resurfacing, sealing cracks, and fixing larger potholes. Periodic maintenance is performed less frequently but is crucial for prolonging the road's lifespan. Road maintenance is vital for several reasons. Safety. Properly maintained roads reduce the risk of accidents caused by factors like potholes or unclear road markings. Economic efficiency. Good road conditions improve traffic flow and reduce vehicle damage, contributing to economic productivity. Aesthetics and community pride. Clean and well-maintained roads enhance the appearance of communities. The responsibility for road maintenance can vary. Local governments usually handle the maintenance of city streets and local roads. State or provincial governments, often responsible for highways and major roadways. Private organizations, sometimes, private entities are contracted to maintain certain roads, especially in gated communities or private estates. Despite its importance, road maintenance faces challenges like budget constraints. Adequate funding is often a significant issue, affecting the quality and frequency of maintenance. Weather conditions. Extreme weather can damage roads and complicate maintenance efforts. Traffic disruptions. Maintenance work can cause temporary traffic issues, requiring careful planning and communication. Understanding road maintenance is crucial as it affects our daily commutes and overall safety on the roads. It's a complex task that requires adequate funding, planning, and execution. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of maintaining our roads and the efforts that go into keeping them safe and functional. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more informative content.